Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Guest Wi-Fi networks on Nighthawk Pro Gaming Router. And to do this, first you'll need to download the app that allows you to customize this router settings. It's called Nighthawk, or Netgear. You can find it on Google Play Store or on App Store in iOS device. Then when it's installed, we'll need to pair our router. When it's paired, scroll down. You'll find Guest Wi-Fi, click on it, then select one of the networks and simply activate it like that. Then you can customize your Guest Wi-Fi with different name, password, time, how long it will last, and a security method for it as well. Click on Save to set it up. This will take a few minutes. And after this setup is done, we can open our Wi-Fi settings and see if there's this guest network that we just created. And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.